Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the profit or loss update for the buy and hold strategy versus the KuCoin Infinity Grid Bot strategy that I basically deployed in January of 2022. So both strategies have been deployed for just about 8 months now. And with that in mind, let's get right into the numbers. And we will start with the buy and hold strategy now back in January of 2022, which you can see the actual order dates for the Bitcoin that was bought for this strategy was on 1/11/2022. And the average price for the Bitcoin was coming in right at around 732 USDT. And I ended up investing a total of 500 USDT, which netted me essentially 0.011700066 Bitcoin. And so if we jump over here to my KuCoin account, now if you don't have a KuCoin account, I will drop a link in the description down below. And if you use my link to join KuCoin, you will receive a 10% discount on all your trading fees. But with that all being said, let's get back to the numbers. So that $500 worth of Bitcoin that I bought back in January is actually being held over here in my KuCoin main account. That way I don't have to worry about it getting traded by a bot or anything over here in my trading account. So if I click on my main account, that will bring up the amounts being held over here in my main account. And as far as Bitcoin is concerned, now I've blown it up here to make it a little easier to read. You can see that I still hold that exact amount of Bitcoin in this particular account of 0.011700066. However, the value, instead of being 500 USDT that I invested, the value is now $232, or essentially a 53.5% loss, which makes perfect sense, seeing how this Bitcoin was purchased at around 42,700, and right now Bitcoin's price is trading at just below 20,000. Now let's see how the grid bot is actually performing. So in order to check on the grid bot numbers, I need to jump over here to the trade tab at the top of the screen, click on trading bot. That will bring me over to the trading bot dashboard for KuCoin. And from here, I just click on running, which would be the bots I currently have running with KuCoin. And then if I click on the details for my Infinity Grid Bot BTC USDT, this is the grid bot I deployed versus the buy and hold strategy. And you can see my entry price was again around that 42,700 USDT. And I made the same investment of $500. And then as far as the grid bot parameters, I put my minimum price down at 18.5. And since this is an Infinity Grid Bot, there is no need for an upper limit level because the bot will follow the price up to infinity. And then my profit rate per grid was set at 1%. Now, if we jump over here to the actual open orders, you can see my current Bitcoin position is 0.01203,956, which is actually more Bitcoin than the buy and hold strategy actually currently holds. So right there, this grid bot is outperforming the buy and hold strategy in the fact that the same dollar amount invested actually holds more Bitcoin than the buy and hold strategy, but I still have 109 USDT available to buy even more Bitcoin. So right now, clearly the Infinity Grid Bot is winning the battle versus the buy and hold strategy. And with that in mind, if we look at the actual P&L for the current grid bot, you can see the current profit, or in this case loss, is around $164 or 32%. Now, if you're new to the channel and you've not seen my other updates on this particular grid bot, you might be curious as why the investment says $512. Well, when I first deployed the bot back in January, at the same time I bought the Bitcoin for the buy and hold strategy, after about a month in, the grid bot locked up. I had to shut it down. It actually had $12 of profit, so I reinvested those dollars back into the grid bot, and I got lucky that when I redeployed the bot, the price was pretty much the same that it was when I initially deployed the bot. So everything worked out perfect, but because the grid bot was actually up $12, when I closed the bot down, I took that $12 along with the 500 and reinvested it in this new grid bot that you can see has now been running for 215 days and 22 hours, so almost 216 days, plus the 30 additional days from the first grid bot brings us to that 8-month period, which is equal to the buy and hold strategy. And so in reality, if I subtract this $12 from my current loss, this grid bot is actually only down 30% on the initial $500 investment. And so to quickly recap, the buy and hold strategy is down 53.5%. And the grid bot is only down around 30%. And so right now we're currently looking at a 20% difference in a buy and hold strategy versus a grid bot strategy, with the grid bot winning the battle so far. And so I think that's enough jaw jacking for this video. Now I will do another update video in about a month. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss that future update video. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And I will drop a link to KuCoin in the description down below. And remember, if you use my link, you will receive a 10% discount on your trading fees. So until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.